How to view current location on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know in which location you are or your current location. First of all, open the application. Now make sure you turn on the maps option on your mobile phone. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the location that you are in. So you can directly tap on it and zoom the location that you are in. Now again, if you want to make sure your correct location, simply tap on this search bar, and here on the top at the starting position you'll be able to see the option called current location. Simply tap on current location. So it will take some time and it will automatically navigate to the current location that you are in, and you are all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.